you've been looking for the easiest digital side hustle to walk into 2026 with, something that brings in extra retirement fund, something simple, something flexible, something you can even build. If you're quiet, introverted, woman in your 50s who's tired of the grind, then you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through how I'm building an automated online income that works even when you can't. Because you're busy, you're tired, you're just empty. So if you're feeling behind for retirement, weighed down on bills, inflation, or just craving some breathing room, I get it. You're exactly who this video is for. If we haven't met yet, I'm Michelle. I'm a 58-year-old woman of 3 beautiful girls, 9 grandkids, a blended family from Canada, and I help women in their 40s, 50s, 60s learn simple digital skills so they can build income they can take anywhere. I mean, for years I felt stuck to a job, stuck to a schedule, stuck to a paycheck, stuck inside a life that didn't match the one I dreamed about. When I met Curtis, we wanted to travel, retire early, and just earn from anywhere. But instead, I worked. I helped everyone else. I kept pushing, but inside I felt like I was drowning under bills and exhaustion. And honestly, I was scared of getting older and still being trapped in that same cycle, trapped in debt that continued to increase because everything was getting expensive. And my paycheck didn't increase. I knew I had to pivot. I didn't quit. I pivoted. I changed my job and added another business because I tried other side hustles and lost a lot of money. I got discouraged, and one day it hit me. If I didn't learn a different way to earn, then next year would look exactly the same. That's when everything started to shift. Before I show you what I found, if you're already thinking, Michelle, I need a simple plan like this, you can grab the step-by-step training I use. It's in the description below. It shows you exactly how this works. You just need to sign up and watch the free videos that come and then the webinar. Just see what it's all about. Okay, let me tell you what happened. When I started searching for ways to earn online, I wasn't looking for magic. I wanted education. I wanted something to show me how this works instead of guessing my way through it, guessing my way through YouTube videos. I found a digital program from a college that cost thousands of dollars. And honestly, once it was done, it was done. No support, no community, no business. Just learning and then good luck. And there are people that didn't even run digital business before. So I realized that's the old way. And then I found a program that I use now, and everything changed. It was live. It was updated weekly. It was taught by people who actually earn online, earn a lot online. It had a community. And the part that blew my mind, it came with resale rights, meaning I could learn and I can sell that program to other people so they can learn too and keep 100% of the profit. As a woman who didn't want to build a whole website from scratch or figure out tacky stuff, this was huge. All I wanted was to learn and earn and help other women do the same. That's my biggest dream, is to help other amazing women in their 50s rock this online space and be so darn proud of themselves for everything they do, because they should be proud. I saw the training was simple, step-by-step videos, beginner-friendly, examples that made sense. And they gave me automation, a pre-built website, a sales funnel, emails already written, pages already built, tools I didn't have to build myself. This is why the income still runs when I hang out with my grandkids, camp all summer long, enjoy parties and gatherings. No being stuck on my phone or in front of a laptop. This is why I'm able to work less and still build something steady. This is why I can picture myself taking this business on the road one day. I mean, honestly, sitting by the lake or the ocean, enjoying a coffee or a glass of wine. I also learned things like affiliate marketing, creating digital products, and stacking income streams, all without paying ads. Right now I'm building multiple income streams, something my 9-to-5 job could not give me. One of my favorite parts, learning how to use social media the right way, learning what social media is all about, not trending dances, not being loud, just showing up as myself, quiet, real, relatable. Women my age, relatable, so women my age connected with that. And guess what? You don't need followers. You don't need to be a big influencer, and you don't need to be tech savvy. What matters is that you want to learn. And the program teaches everything step by step. So if you want to see how the whole interactive training works, the free classes link below, or go to exciteddailykpay.com. That's how you get started. And if you want to see exactly how simple this business can be when you put the pieces together, go watch this next video. I've linked it for you. It'll just make everything click. If you have any questions, let me know. I want to help you get that future you deserve. Let's do this. Let's do this together. And I want to help you. Have a good day.